Welcome to our channel. Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with the ultimate electric spin scrubber, the best in the market. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to effortless shine. With its powerful motor, versatile brush heads, and ergonomic design, this game changer will make your cleaning tasks a breeze. Join us as we explore the magic of this incredible electric spin scrubber and unlock the secret to spotless, gleaming spaces. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber. The LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that has revolutionized my cleaning routine. With its cordless design and adjustable extension handle, it offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. One of the standout features of this spin scrubber is the 4 replaceable brush heads that come with it. These brush heads are designed for different cleaning tasks, allowing me to tackle a variety of surfaces with ease. Whether it's scrubbing grout, removing soap scum, or cleaning tile floors, this spin scrubber delivers impressive results every time. The adjustable extension handle is another thoughtful addition. It enables me to reach high or low areas without straining or bending, making it perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach spots like ceilings and baseboards. The power and performance of the LABIGO are remarkable. The scrubber's motor delivers strong rotational power, effortlessly removing dirt and grime. The battery life is impressive too, providing ample cleaning time without the hassle of frequent recharging. Overall, the LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber has become an essential tool in my cleaning arsenal. Its convenience, versatility, and powerful performance make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning tasks. Number 2. Voweek Electric Spin Scrubber. The Voweek Electric Spin Scrubber is a game changer when it comes to household cleaning. This cordless cleaning brush provides a convenient and efficient way to tackle tough stains and grime without the hassle of manual scrubbing. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its adjustable extension arm, which allows you to reach high or low areas with ease. Whether it's cleaning the bathtub, tiles, or even the ceiling, the extension arm ensures no spot is left untouched. The brush heads are easily interchangeable, and the package includes 4 different heads suitable for various surfaces and cleaning tasks. The powerful spinning action of the brush head effortlessly removes dirt and grime, saving you time and effort. The cordless design is a great advantage, as it provides freedom of movement without the restrictions of a power cord. The rechargeable battery lasts for a significant amount of cleaning time, ensuring you can tackle multiple cleaning tasks without interruptions. The Voweek Electric Spin Scrubber is not only highly functional, but also durable. The construction feels solid and built to last. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver the scrubber during extended cleaning sessions. Overall, the Voweek Electric Spin Scrubber is an excellent addition to any cleaning arsenal. Its versatility, durability, and convenience make it a reliable tool for deep cleaning various surfaces. Say goodbye to scrubbing fatigue and hello to effortless cleaning with this innovative device. Number 3. kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber. The kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber is a fantastic addition to any household cleaning routine. This 2023 new cordless shower scrubber is designed to tackle tough grime and dirt with ease, making your bathroom cleaning tasks a breeze. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its cordless design, which allows for maximum maneuverability and convenience. You can easily reach every nook and cranny without being restricted by cords or outlets. The included 4 replacement heads ensure that you have plenty of options for different cleaning tasks. The dual speed function is another notable feature, offering flexibility depending on the level of cleaning required. Whether you need a gentle scrub or a more vigorous clean, this scrubber has you covered. The battery life is impressive, providing up to 1.5 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Additionally, the kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, ensuring a comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The brush heads are durable and effective, easily removing soap scum, grime, and hard water stains. Overall, the kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber is a reliable and efficient tool for bathroom cleaning. With its cordless operation, dual speed functionality, and durable construction, it's a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Number 4. Oraimo Electric Spin Scrubber. The Oraimo Electric Spin Scrubber has truly revolutionized my cleaning routine. making it easier and more efficient than ever before. This cordless bathroom scrubber boasts a powerful 430 RPM spin, allowing it to effortlessly tackle stubborn dirt and grime in the shower, tub, and even on floors. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its adjustable extension arm. With this extension, reaching high or low areas is a breeze, eliminating the need for uncomfortable bending or stretching. The scrubber head itself is designed with durable bristles that effectively scrub away dirt without damaging surfaces, making it suitable for a wide range of materials. What sets the Oraimo electric spin scrubber apart is its exceptional battery life. With a single charge, I can clean my entire bathroom multiple times. The cordless design offers unparalleled freedom of movement, allowing me to navigate around the bathroom without any restrictions. Additionally, the scrubber is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing strain on my wrists and hands during prolonged cleaning sessions. The overall build quality is excellent, and the ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip. In conclusion, the Oraimo electric spin scrubber is a game changer in the realm of bathroom cleaning. Its powerful spin, adjustable extension arm, and long-lasting battery life make it a versatile and efficient tool. Say goodbye to backbreaking scrubbing and hello to a sparkling clean bathroom with the Oraimo electric spin scrubber. Number 5. Bomves electric spin scrubber. The Bomves electric spin scrubber is a game changer when it comes to household cleaning. This cordless cleaning brush is designed to tackle tough dirt and grime on various surfaces, including tubs and tiles. With its 8 replaceable brush heads, you have the right tool for every cleaning task. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its impressive 90-minute work time. It allows you to clean for extended periods without the hassle of frequent recharging. The 3 adjustable handles offer excellent maneuverability, making it easy to reach even the most hard-to-reach areas. Furthermore, the 2 adjustable speeds provide versatility for different cleaning needs. The lower speed is perfect for delicate surfaces, while the higher speed offers extra power for stubborn stains. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The Bomves electric spin scrubber truly makes cleaning a breeze. It effortlessly removes grime and dirt, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for an efficient, versatile, and convenient cleaning tool for your home, this scrubber is an excellent choice. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to sparkling clean surfaces with the Bomves electric spin scrubber. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information.